So my wife challenged me. She said, "Hey, if the power's out for an extended amount of time, how are you going to cook rice, or how are we going to cook rice?" So I was like, "Well, I got you covered."
So here we got the rice cooker. We got the water. Oh wait, that's right. The power's out. See how this does. No, this is not a Jackery commercial. I just happen to have this. This is the, what is this? Where'd it go? I think it's $2.90. And it was purchased by me at Harbor Freight. All right, just check the bottom. Yes, 290 watts. I don't know if it'll power this rice cooker. Never checked. Let's see how much this rice cooker will draw, but we'll find out. Well, darn, look at that. It's not enough for the rice cooker. Whatever shall we do?
Now, of course, the easy way would just to be, to buy a new power supply, but we're not doing it the easy way. We're going to do it the outdoorsy way.
Now, she would kill me if I tried what I'm going to do with her rice cooker. So, we're going to use my trusty outdoors pot that I've used a lot. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen this one on video, but it's been used on campfires before. Could we do it in the fireplace? Of course we could, but what if it's the summer and it's just too hot to do it that way? Perhaps we could use the chimenea, but what if for some reason this is out of commission?
Well, I guess we're just going to have to do it on the ground somewhere and make a fire.
I think I'm going to make it right there. So first thing I got to do is let's get some bricks. Yeah, I'm working on moving that wood stack to over there. Just some concrete bricks. Alright.
I probably could do this with two of those bricks, but I want to do it with 4 because I have an idea.
Yes, I know I need to mow my yard bad. Here's the 4th. Okay, here's the 4, and for some reason I did not expect this one to be bigger than those, but it was. Now let's get these set up. I decided I was going to change locations from there to there to be a little more open. Alright, we're going to get this set up now. So this one is going to be my base. What this is going to do is insulate from the ground. Now one of these is going to be my back reflector. Then we've got a pot stand. And then a second pot stand. Now we need to make sure the pot fits. Oh wow, it's way too big. So, how do we solve this? That'll work. Now, this is the original lid. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to use this though. I'm going to use this lid. It doesn't quite fit, but it fits inside and it rests on the welds, I guess, the brackets inside, and that's so I can keep an eye on the rice. Alright, to get this started, just gonna put a bunch of dried leaves and twigs in there. Yeah, basically this is our tinder. Okay, now that we got our tinder prepped, a little bit of our kindling, we need to start going to prepping some fuel. So yeah, just gotta get some fuel to actually start, you know, boiling that fire, getting that water boiling on that fire. Luckily we got a nice pile here. Just start snapping a lot of this stuff off. It's been here a while. And that's probably not enough fuel, but you know, you saw I got a bunch of wood laying around, so that's okay. I'll just get more. There you go. So it's been smoldering a little bit, but just kind of waiting for a good bed of coals to come on board. What I'm going to do is, since most of the wind is coming from this way, I'm actually going to move this down a little bit to help with the airflow. Hopefully that should help a little bit. Yeah, you see the wind's coming right at the camera now. Oh, golly. Not expecting that. Let's see if maybe I can get some of this old bark on there without smothering it. What a strange sounding bird. So this is what I got going from the other side of it. Unfortunately for this north wind, it's blowing the smoke right into the house. I think that's pretty established, so let's go ahead and put this on. See what happens. See if I can get this to boil. Get this rice cooked. You just missed a good flare up. So kind of thinking about it, I need a spoon or something to stir that rice so it doesn't stick. And just so you know, yeah, I've been sitting in a chair. Alright, found this wooden spoon. It'll work. Just gotta remember, don't burn it. Okay, here we are. Of course, not boiling yet. So I'm thinking what I could do is I could actually move this brick to that side to help trap the heat, since I'm rearranging things due to the wind. So maybe that'll help a little bit. Oh no! That was unexpected. Okay, there we go. Now it's balanced. Wow, I really think that made a difference. See, looking here, looks like it's driving a lot of heat that way. So I wonder if I switch these two, if that'll really help. I think that might. Okay, let's see if that helps. If I had another brick, I'd try some sort of rocket stove configuration. I probably could do it with how many I have now, but I think I might get in trouble if I, burn the concrete or get that, that soot stain on the patio. I think I might, get in trouble for that. Okay, let's give it a check. I want to taste it. Nope, not cooked yet. Still kind of crunchy. Well, I think I'm hearing some noise coming from there, so let's check. That looks done to me. All right, let's give it a try. It's done. It is done. So, challenge successfully completed. Remember, get outside, enjoy life, and experiment from time to time. Oh shoot, the rice is starting to burn. Inside of water, it's starting to burn. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.